Time. It doesn't stop for anyone. Not for the forest. Not for the city. Not for the villages. Even neither for the sun nor for the earth. Every particle in the universe has to move according to this time. So then, is time itself omnipotent? If yes, then who created this time? Did we humans create this? But time is infinite. It was there before us and will be there after us too. A clock that started 13.8 billion years ago. Big Bang. It created atoms and molecules and released enormous energy that has reached everywhere in this infinite universe. And this energy of the universe is the originator of the cycle of time. Because without time, nothing could ever arise in our universe. Not even time itself. Whether it's the time to come or time spent, or from the smallest creature to the largest black hole. Everything in the universe bows before this time. To do something or not to do anything. Everything depends on the speed of time. Time can go faster. Time may slow down. But time doesn't stop, it moves forward. Stars are born in this ever-expanding time. New galaxies are formed. New planets are born. And grow old and die with ever-increasing time. And behind them, new stars are born again. And in this continuously moving cycle of time, some of the most mysterious things in the universe are also born, like black holes. Time is a cosmic conductor. Nothing can escape its reach, not even the universe itself. But does everything experience time the same way? Is time equal for everyone? Definitely yes, but it's not like that at all. This is where the game of time, the cosmic conductor created by the universe, begins. Since sunrise until the sun sets, and every creature on earth has 24 hours until the sun rises again. But in reality, it is not time that we measure. It is a measure of the speed of continuously moving time. When our Earth rotates on its axis, so every single particle of the Earth is also rotating at a speed of 1670 kilometers per hour. The Earth takes 24 hours to rotate once. This gives us only 24 hours of activities of time, which is not proof of the time of the universe. Rather, it is evidence of the motion of the universe. As you step out of the earth and into the infinite universe, this 24-hour rule of time is completely broken. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun in our solar system. Time slows down on this. Our neighbor Venus rotates slower than Mercury. The time it takes to revolve around the Sun, it takes even longer to rotate on its axis. That's why the days of Venus are longer than its years. No one can run ahead and no one can go back through this cycle of cosmic time. Just this speed of time, only and only we can feel moving forward. For every particle in the universe, time is set. The speed of time changes just by moving continuously. Everything has its own clock, which has been running on its own rhythm since the time of the universe. But all are moving on the timeline of the universal cosmic conductor. Then whether our life is fast or slow, we have to live according to 24 hours. Because time is for that which exists, and time is also for that which does not exist or is yet to come. Even if he or she is human, or a planet, or a star being born. But how do these living beings keep pace with the time while moving continuously? Every creature on earth, even if they are humans, or the biggest animal, or the smallest microbe, the most unique thing in the universe is present inside every living being, and that is body clock, which is going on continuously just like the time of the universe. Clock genes flourished in the earliest living cells 2.5 billion years ago, who could distinguish between darkness and light. As life evolved on Earth, these clock genes started syncing with the movement of the Earth. This synergy didn't happen overnight. These two had to move along the given direction of time for billions of years. And then, after such a long process, this clock of the universe is present in every living being in the world. That from the moment of birth till the last breath keeps moving perfectly without stopping. All walks of life dancing to the same tune. And that is the time created by the clock of the universe. But in reality, no clock can be reset. Even it is the self-made clock of the universe. As long as there is life, this continuous time can be lived in the present. Nothing can be the same today as it was yesterday. Not only changes its speed, Rather, it also keeps changing its form every micro million second of every moment. If the time created by the universe is destructive, then it is also the originator of something that will happen in the future. You can never go back to the past, but you can only move towards the future. There is an arrow of time here, whose wounds are very deep. Evidence of this cycle of time is present throughout our universe. Whether its mark is on Earth or beyond. No one has been saved from the arrow of the universe at this time. Just look at these marks on our moon, which tell about events spanning billions of years. These marks are also present on other planets and moons, who are continuously telling stories of attacks by asteroids and comets. But if this is a destructive form of time, then it is because of this destructive form that life on our earth has also originated. Impact craters must have devastating effects over time. But without the past, the present has no existence. We can never return to the moment in which they were created. But of the wound of this arrow of time in the universe, life came into being. Because these catastrophic moments in time brought with them what our science has not yet been able to find beyond Earth, that is, water in liquid state for life. These asteroids and comets which brought life along with the destructive form of time. And gradually the time of the universe was created to a lifeless ball of fire, began to turn into a beautiful planet, our Earth. Oceans were formed, rivers were formed, lives were formed, forests were formed, humans were also formed. This cycle of time will go on and things will start disappearing again. And one day the earth will slowly become a lifeless planet. Or maybe it doesn't even exist to be called a planet. Because whatever is created in the universe will also be destroyed. No one can escape from the cycle of time, even if it is the infinite universe itself. One day, the end of this universe is also fixed.